The Aquasphera pack contains 3 exceptional products ideal to meet the needs of dry and dehydrated skin. Aquasphera Super Moisturizing Day Cream. As main active ingredients, it contains hyaluronic acid, rice oil and jojoba oil. It corrects and restores the skin's moisture, while effective antioxidant agents prevent premature aging and the formation of wrinkles. The moisturizing concentrated serum Aquasphera is a true source of hydration for the skin. Keenwell's innovative 4D hyaluronic acid contains a combination of 4 types of hyaluronic acid, which form a 3-dimensional network to precisely reach the different layers of the skin. It stimulates cell regeneration and reduces the signs of aging, while it smooths the skin's surface. The new progressive concentrated eye serum is the most effective way to beautify and rejuvenate the eye contour area. Specially designed with a very high concentration of active ingredients, offers a triple action effect: anti-aging, anti-fatigue and anti-congestant action. It eliminates dehydration, the signs of aging and dark circles and bags under the eyes. All 3 products are ideal for all skin types and especially for dry and dehydrated skin. You can order the Aquasphera pack from our website at www.hytocosmetics.com.